I like this guy.
Oh, now it's recorded, so keep on bullshitting.
Keep bullshit.
But no, like for real though, she grabbed one of those tape measures that you use for what is it when they're trying to like I can't figure out the term. It's when you get in the suit. They have that one special tape measure.
You mean the soft
how
one?
far in did you push it?
I didn't push it in. No, I let her do what she did.
No,
and
she had to find the pliers. You mean?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of sugar
glass.
to lure it out.
Yep. And then she just laid it across it, and she was like, it was like, 7 inches. And I said, why? She's like, well, because you went really far in me, and it kind of hurt. And I said, that's the point.
Then she went, but Tony never hurts me when he goes that deep.
2 weeks later, man in jail for murdering wife and some guy named Tony.
Next
Just
class,
some
we're
guy.
waiting for you.
Sorry, just started
We're
recording.
always waiting for him.
Right when the joke stopped.
You are the joke. It never stops.
Nerevar DZN is streaming Dead Cells.
Actually, yeah, he's got me there. Shit.
I actually want that game.
Which game?
Look at all the pretty shit.
Dead
in the
Cells.
pink one.
Oh, I have it. It's really good, although it's very short because it's still
Ooh,
early
find
access.
one mod.
I have to collect 4 energy orbs.
30 kills. This will be easy.
I don't know what I got to
I
do.
already
I ain't
collected
even bother
2.
reading.
3,
Uh,
I don't need to read. I just need to shoot.
4. And now
I
get to
actually
murder.
streamed Dead Cells a couple of times.
I played that game.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
It is kind of freaky.
Yeah.
I like it.
I saw it and I like roguelike. I like platformers.
Although the
why do you
ending was
gotta do-
really anticlimactic. Like,
Why do I have to do this? Because I'm swish swish. That's what I do.
You know, when I finally get to the Excalibur video, I'm just gonna increase the volume of that swish noise.
swing, 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 swing.
Or you know, just,
Yes.
or you know, just like replace it with like the sound of a lawnmower.
The sound of a llama?
Yeah, it's like a fucking lawnmower, just like.
Yes.
Well, next you need to get the Berserker mod, and then you go like this. You go swish, 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 swish. And then after
Where
the
am
final,
I?
And that's why I got a macro for Excalibur. Finger gets tired after 1.5 hours, about.
yeah.
Really, I've
Yeah,
never
that's
had
true.
the problem of getting tired after 1.5 hours.
Well, I mean, if you're
Constantly,
taking
or
it in the
just-
butt, it's not hard.
Yeah.
Taking out
Where do I go?
I don't know where I am.
Who am I? Oh, I think I found it.
Am I love?
No.
Aye. Not really.
Oh, I was hoping.
This looks like a way through. No, that's a closed door.
I found the way through,
Oh.
but
Oh,
other
God.
than that, I don't know.
What is happening?
I'll just
I hate the
mark
derelict.
so you can get through to the next area. Which apparently loves to have huge hordes of enemies.
Oh, there's stairs here. Okay, I
Yes.
figured it out. And there's a hole.
Oh, I found a hole too.
Well, stop
And
sitting on.
then she went, thank God, it took you long enough.
And that is probably my girlfriend calling. Jesus Christ. I found the door as well. Decaying.
And what? That's me.
I'm probably gonna die though, because everything is happening at the same fucking time!
Maybe I'll be able to save you.
Stab.
Huh?
Stabby
I
stab.
did it.
Stabbity stab.
I'm doing it. It's happening. She's gonna die eventually. Did it.
Stealth kill.
Nobody cares about your stealth kills.
Aww.
You wanna know why? We're ninjas. We ain't stealthy. That's not the ninja way. You gotta take the loudest thing you can.
Oh, I got orchids still somewhere. They're just dropping like flies. We could break through together if we try hard enough. There's just blood all over the place.
Okay, finally, here we go. Yeah,
I did it. It was all me.
Oh, I got a double drop. Pretty happy. Let's see. This way. No. I hate this tile set. Okay, yeah, it is this way. Oop.
Oops.
You know what? Whoever designed this, I get they were going for like artsy, but they actually kind of pissed me off now.
Why did they put all the loot boxes in the trees?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Which way am I going?
Shit.
Oh, we still need to kill 2 more people.
And it's showing us how to get to them, but I can't figure out how to get to them.
We have to go higher.
We have to go deeper.
We gotta go deeper, Morty.
Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, found it.
You found it?
Yeah. Passageway by the vault.
Oh.
Oh, there was another hole.
Yeah, just like a woman in her butt, right? Next.
Yeah. I don't get why you guys think that's funny. It's just butt action.
Because it just came out of nowhere. You come out and you're just like, woman has 2 holes in her butt. It's like, that's not how that works. That's
Yes,
really
it
not how it
is.
works.
2 holes there.
No, there's one hole,
The other thing.
which is the anus, which is the sphincter, where poop comes out of. The other one
And
is
there's also
vagina,
the G.
which is on the other side.
Yes, but it's still in the general butt area. And it's a hole.
What woman have you dated that has her vagina near her?
0.
You dated one chick. She was kind of hot.
What are you talking about?
That one girl. You kind of had like a boyfriend girlfriend relationship, and then you were like, we decided we don't like each other, and then she went to the Navy.
It wasn't like that.
You say they decided. You mean she decided?
No, I did actually.
So, yeah, she decided.
No, it's because I'm gay.
That's actually true. He's not just throwing that out.
I'm actually gay. Just throwing that out there. And that's why the relationship wasn't working, because it wasn't really romantic. And she could probably find some people that would better satisfy her needs.
Sexual needs. Cause she was smoking, dude. She was really fucking smoking.
No, she
Which
wasn't.
begs the question: was she blind?
No.
Was
Just none
she
of those
some
things.
kind-
What the fuck are you talking about, Cortex?
I saw when you did the video chat and you looked like fucking Diet Coke Gerard. And then I see her and I'm like, God damn, how the fuck?
Oh, smoking isn't hot.
Yeah.
I thought you meant she looked high as fuck.
No. What?
Spoiled strike.
Yeah, that works for some weapons.
I guess if you got a big,
I put it on war and it's pretty good. Nothing
Yeah, but you.
increases attack speed anyway.
Yeah, but you put it on war, and it takes you 100 years to hit one guy.
Yes, but then once it does hit that one guy, he's dead.
Well, isn't that why you take war as limbo? You just freeze them and you go. "Ugh."
yeah, right. I have to switch
Let's see,
to
let me check the
the
Fang
bleeding
Prime.
key as
Let me
I
see if
haven't
can
got
just-
enough void trace to make another key.
I don't know, man.
You're gonna switch to the tweet. Okay, so next you're gonna get the decaying key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
No, let's take the czar. What happened?
Okay.
Huh?